Tired of struggling to see those tiny details in your Photoshop project? Let's dive into mastering the art of zooming. Our first technique involves keyboard shortcuts, holding down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac, and pressing the plus key zooms in. Each press brings you closer. Conversely, holding Control or Command and pressing the minus key zooms out. Experiment and find the perfect level. Next up, the zoom tool. It looks like a magnifying glass in your toolbar. Click on it to activate. Now, when you click on your canvas, you'll zoom in. Notice how the magnifying glass has a plus sign. That indicates zooming in. To zoom out with the zoom tool, hold down the Alt key on Windows or the Option key on Mac. The plus sign will change to a minus. Now clicking zooms out. Lastly, let's look at the Navigator panel. If you can't see it, go to Window and select Navigator. Within the Navigator panel, you'll find a zoom slider. Drag it to the right to zoom in, and to the left to zoom out. The red rectangle shows what part of the image is currently visible. With these tricks under your belt, you'll be navigating your Photoshop projects like a pro. Now go practice and get those details perfect.